Are you feeling lonely and looking to make new friends? Well, you've come to the right place. Making friends might seem daunting, but with a few simple strategies, you can easily expand your social circle. Let's take a look at some proven methods to help you connect with like-minded individuals. One effective approach is to find a group that shares your interests. Joining a club, class, or regular meetup can introduce you to people who share your passions. Whether it's a book club, religious group, music enthusiasts, or a biking group, you'll meet individuals with similar interests and forge connections that can lead to lasting friendships. Another fantastic option is volunteering. By dedicating your time and energy to a community center, charitable group, hospital, museum, or place of worship, you not only contribute to a worthy cause, but you also have the opportunity to meet like-minded individuals who share your commitment to making a difference in the world. If you're up for a challenge and want to learn something new, consider taking a class. Sign up for a course at a local college, senior center, or gym. This way, you'll not only expand your knowledge, but also meet fellow classmates who are interested in the same subject. Learning together is a great way to bond and form new friendships. Don't forget to explore local events happening in your community. Check your local newspaper or community bulletin boards to find out about exciting events taking place. Alternatively, you can also search online for neighborhood listings. By attending these events, you'll surround yourself with a diverse group of individuals, providing ample opportunities to strike up conversations and develop connections. Consider joining a social circle that includes people who have large friend groups of their own. By immersing yourself in a group like this, you increase your chances of meeting new people and expanding your own social circle. Don't be shy, introduce yourself, and show genuine interest in others. Remember, being open to meeting new people is key. Be friendly, kind, and a good listener. Show genuine curiosity about others and their lives, and you'll find that making friends becomes easier than you ever imagined. Another critical aspect to remember is to be a good friend yourself. Choose good friends and make an effort to be someone they can trust and rely on. Creating strong bonds based on mutual respect and support is key to nurturing lasting friendships. Lastly, don't underestimate the potential of deepening your relationships with colleagues. If you work in a profession that attracts people who share your interests and values, take the opportunity to connect more deeply with your colleagues. Engage in conversations, grab lunch together, or organize after-work activities. These interactions can lead to genuine friendships outside of the workplace. In conclusion, making new friends is all about putting yourself out there and embracing opportunities to meet others. From joining groups that align with your interests, to volunteering, taking classes, attending local events, and surrounding yourself with individuals who already have large social circles, these strategies will pave the way to expanding your network of friends. So go out there, be open, kind, and a good listener, and watch your social circle grow. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and updates on how to enhance your social life.